बहुत ही आसान सा टॉपिक है कलर कोडिंग ऑफ रेजिस्टर। इस कलर कोडिंग से हमें मार्केट में मिलने वाले किसी भी रेजिस्टेंस का हम वैल्यू पता कर सकते हैं। तो बेसिकली मार्केट में जो रेजिस्टेंस मिलता है वो इस तरह का रहता है, एक सर्कुलर सा बहुत ही छोटे छोटे पीसेस में आता है, दोनों साइड वायर रहते हैं और इस पर अलग अलग कलर के लाइंस बने हुए होते हैं, डिफरेंट कलर्स। लेट्स से लाइक दिस, देयर आर डिफरेंट कलर्स लाइन एंड कुछ सेपरेशन रहता है, उसके बाद एक लाइन अकेला रहता है। तो इन सब को देख के, इन सब लाइंस को देख के कैसे हमें रेजिस्टेंस पता चलता है, दैट इज़ द टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन हेयर। सो इसे समझाने के लिए मैं आपको एक छोटा सा वीडियो दिखाता हूँ जिसके माध्यम से ये आपको आसानी से समझ में आ जाएगा। तो द रेजिस्टर विल लुक लाइक दिस एज आई हैव ड्रॉन हेयर, and you have to remember a table that has been given here, and in this table there is digit, there is multiplier and there is tolerance. So there's space between 3 or 4 lines and the last line. As you can see here, there are 4 lines: red, yellow, blue and brown. Between red, yellow and blue they are equally spaced, but between blue and brown there is a space. So whenever this situation is there, we'll always start from left towards right. So we start from the lines which are closely spaced towards the gap. Now if there are 4 lines, so the first line here will indicate first digit. The first line indicate first digit. Then this second line here will indicate second digit. The third line here indicates the multiplier, and the fourth line here indicates the tolerance. So I can say that if I need to write the resistance of this, then I will look at the color, red color. So red color means 2, so I'll write down 2. Then we have yellow color means 4, then I will write 4. Then comes the third color, which is nothing but multiplier. So in the multiplier we have blue color, so we'll look for blue here. Blue is 10 to the power 6, so we'll multiply it by 10 to the power 6 and we'll keep it in the bracket. And then we have this brown color. So corresponding to the brown colors, it is 1, and this is in percentage. So I'll write here plus minus 1%. So basically this tolerance indicate that how much fluctuation can occur in plus and minus, that this resistance will have an error of around 1%. So please keep this in mind. Now let's try to take another resistor. Let me draw it here only. Suppose I take another resistor, and instead of 4 lines, this resistor has got 5 lines, and say the first line, let's say there's one line, not call it first. Then let's say there's yellow line. Then let's say we call there's another line which is blue line. Let's say there's another line which is black line, and let's say there's another line which is, let's say, violet line. Now this is 5 line resistor or 5 ring resistor. So here what will happen, that the first 3 will be digit. This will be first digit, this will be second digit, and this will be third digit, and this will be the multiplier, and the last one space, so this will be the tolerance. So first digit is yellow, so yellow is 4. Second digit is red, so red is 2. Third digit is blue, and so blue is, we can see here, is 6. Then multiplier is black, so we can see that multiplier black is 10 to the power 0, so this is 1 only, so I'll write here 10 to the power 0, and this plus minus, so this is purple, violet, sorry, purple or violet I can take, say this is 0.1, this is 0.1%. so this is the resistance of this resistor. Now similarly we can have 5 lines also, 6 lines also. 5 lines we have discussed. Now in order to remember this table, you can remember a phrase that is BB, that is black and brown, Roy, red, orange, yellow, of Great Britain, of I have written in small, of Great Britain. So you have to only take the capital letters here. This B, Roy, of I have written in small, G is capital, of Great Britain, green and blue, of Great Britain has very good wife. And after that we are just left with gold and silver. V, G and W are in capital. So this phrase will help you to remember this